Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today, we got a special day. We're talking about Spider Grills here. Spider Grills Huntsman has finally hit Barbecue Boulevard, and we're gonna get our first look at it. You with it? Let's get it. All right, so as I said, today we are getting our first look at the Spider Grills Huntsman. This is actually the first grill that Spider Grills has produced of their own. You know, in the past they've made products that attach to your Weber kettle, which they'll continue to do. But now they've got their own grill, guys. So big shout out to Spider Grills for sending over this Huntsman for us to take a look at. And I got to tell you, man, it's a beautiful grill. So let's get into taking a look at this thing and see how it all came together. Now, when my Spider Grills Huntsman showed up here to Barbecue Boulevard, it showed up in two boxes. Now, we've got two boxes containing the grill and all of its components, and everything was packed in there very neatly and very well. The assembly, I'm going to tell you right now, was very simple and was actually pretty quick. It is a little bit heavy here and there, but it is a very fast, quick assembly. So first you're gonna find your two boxes that'll make up this grill, and we're gonna get all of our components out and get them lined up and ready to go. Now the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna actually attach the venom itself to the bottom of the Huntsman. It's a very simple process. You got the bottom of the grill flipped over upside down, and you attach this venom. Now once you get that venom attached to the grill, we're going to get the three legs, and there's three legs to this unit. Pop the three legs on, align it with the holes, you know, with the screws and everything. Very easy stuff. And you get those legs put onto the bottom of the grill. After you get the legs attached, we're going to go ahead and get the cart attachment put on. And once you get that put on there, we're going to get the wheels or the casters. And man, the bottom part of this grill is already assembled just that fast. At that point, you're going to flip it over onto its casters, and you're halfway there. Okay, now once you've got your Huntsman right side up on its casters, it's time to get the swing hinge attached. Now be careful, you don't want to remove the hinge pin. That's going to come later, so do not remove the hinge pin. Get that thing lined up at the bottom of the back side of the grill. You attach that swing hinge on there, and man, you're ready to get the lid put on. Now once you get the lid rested on top, you're just going to align it and make sure the holes at the back of the lid align with the holes on the swing hinge, and that's where you're going to get your screws put in to actually affix the top to the grill. And next up, you're going to go ahead and put your chimney cap on, which literally just sets right on top of the stack there. And then we're going to get our charcoal tool affixed to the side of the grill. Guys, you're pretty much almost there. Next up, we're gonna install our pit probe. It's a threaded pit probe. You could put it on the side of the grill, or you could put it at the rear. I've got mine at the rear of the grill. And then you just run your cable around and plug it into the venom at the front of the bottom of the grill. So next up, you're gonna install your charcoal grate at the inside bottom of the grill. And then you're gonna put your ring in that's gonna hold your spiderweb grates. At that point, this grill is pretty much assembled. The only thing left to do is to get your power to your venom. You can use the included power cord, or you can get the battery. Now guys, if you order a Spider Huntsman and use the code Dawgfatha, you will get a free battery to power up your Huntsman for your next cook. So make sure you get your Huntsman ordered, and make sure you use that code Dawgfatha. Right down there, Dawgfatha. Get your free battery. All right, so now you've seen just how easy it is to assemble the Spider Grills Huntsman. And I know what you're thinking. Well, what about accessories? With my Weber kettle, I've had all kinds of accessories. Well, it's coming. There are a few accessories that are ready for pre-order, just as the Huntsman itself is available for pre-order. So let's look at the accessories. So as with a lot of different Kamados, you have a right and a left shelf. So on the Huntsman, they do have a right and left shelf accessory attachment. that is available for pre-order. So you can get those shelves added to your cooking experience, so you have added capacity to be able to hold your trays or your tools or whatever it is that you want to put next to the grill while you're grilling. Next up, you have a lower level cooking kit. Now this is going to be a little kit that you can put ceramic half moons under for heat deflectors. You can hold stainless steel sear grates and all kinds of things. So that next level lower cooking surface kit is something you want to keep your eyes out for. You can order a rotisserie to go with your Spider Grills Huntsman. Next up, as I mentioned earlier, the Venom battery pack. Again, guys, if you order your Huntsman, use the code Dawgfatha and you will get a free battery to attach to your Spider Venom to run your Huntsman. And last up right now for our accessories that are available for order for this Spider Grills Huntsman is the actual cover. That's right, you can get a cover for this thing. So you can have a cover to cover your investment, your Spider Grills Huntsman. You can have the right and left shelves to expand your cooking area. You can have your rotisserie, the battery pack, the lower level surface cooking kit. I mean, guys, this is just scratching the surface. They're just getting started with this grill here, the Spider Grill Huntsman. So you might want to make sure you get this thing ordered and get your accessories ordered and upgrade your cooking experience, guys. Okay, now looking at this grill, it's very well put together and very well thought out. We're talking 5 millimeters thick of carbon steel. And I mean, this grill is just built to last a lifetime. This is something you'll be able to pass down to your kids and your kids' kids and so forth. You get the idea. Now again, the unit is powered by the Spider Venom. That is going to be the brains of the unit, and that's going to be what's going to make this grill a smart grill. Do you have to have the Venom in order to run this grill? No, you don't. You can run it just as a normal kettle or Kamado, or we kind of call it a kettle motto, kind of in between. It's not quite a kettle, not quite a Kamado, kettle motto, you get it. But anyway, you can run this grill manually without the Venom. It's not that big a deal. But if you do run the Venom, again, I'm going to suggest you use the battery. That way you can make this grill truly portable, take it anywhere you want. Out by the pool, out at the park, on the beach, wherever you want to take it, the battery just allows you to be able to do that. Now, this grill is absolutely designed for all kinds of different cooks, whether you want to go low and slow, or if you want to do something hot and fast, that high heat searing temperature, you can make that happen with the Spider Grills Huntsman. Another great feature of this is you got a door in the front, which gives you great access to your heat source. So if you've got charcoal in there and you want to add wood chunks, or you want to add more charcoal, or say you have a water pan in there and you want to put water in it, you can access it from the front. Most of the time with kettle style grills, we know that we have to take the grill apart in order to add more charcoal or add water or whatever it might be. So having a front door on this unit is pretty cool, and I think we're going to get some great use out of it. Okay, so this has been our first look at the Spider Grills Huntsman. In the next video, we'll actually fire this thing up and get something on. So I want you to put down there in the comments section, what should we cook on this grill for our first cook? Let's make that happen. All right? See you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.